Where Jamaica fret too because them taking what really gonna happen with the people and money won't enough to take and say, who not help them build house at Jamaica. That's another reason why they're not gonna pick them up because they know so they take them money and spend it. Because them cannot produce the people and property where they claim so they're supposed to buy when them get the people and money to spend. Welcome back to my video, guys. I'm curious, right? Somebody said they've been living here for over 30 years in America illegally. How can you live somewhere illegally for 30 years and never get yourself together? And if you're there for 30 years, don't you think, say, you should at least have something saved at Jamaica if you cannot get straight? Because a lot of people feel to realize that enough people live here, but them can't straighten out themselves because of them circumstances or whatever they get themselves in before. Enough people don't want to address this, why a lot of people have problems about living for 20, 30 years. Be not trying to even help them family and sell like money at Jamaica, you know. But good people, but them a profile like them have it like that. And enough of them can't even work because them being there illegal, get themselves in a trouble, can't get a job. Enough of them say, oh, me live America, me live America, and you never can see them come to Jamaica because them can't straighten out themselves. And if the lack of not trying either, because some of them try, but them still can't get through. And why they can't get through is because them have something on them record where we hold them back. And sometimes it is just a minor thing, you know, but they never address it. They just make it keep on, you know, over them head. And some things, when they come out to immigration, they can't just make it just keep on playing around with it, because if you keep on playing around with it, eventually it'll bite you. Because at some point, like for instance, no, enough of the things that will happen now, people never expect all of this to happen. And why? Because, you know, we think everything will stay the same over the years. And remember, you know, everybody coming at politics have a different agenda. So you have to just know what you do. When you come out, you reach in here and you never sort out yourself. That's really depend you still on. That depend you. That depend nobody else. That's your mistake, because it's no way me I live in a no country for 30 years. I'm going to try to sort out myself. And if me live there for 25 years and my sister, me really can't get it together, me da gone. I see if some way to put on some money so me can leave. And yes, me say what me say, leave, because if you cannot get yourself straight, I saw you apply for leave, so when you're 60, 70 and 90, how you gonna manage? What if you don't have nobody else for life? And another thing, enough of them up here, they live with woman just because of convenience, because it's not like some not even want they with woman them. But them get up and they live with woman, now help the woman and pay no bills. Now do nothing at the yard, can't get a job, and if you tell them to wash up 2 plates, you have a problem with them. Them are them same people there, some of them we're here I get deported because they live at this place for umpteen years. But I don't care if I even 10 years, it's supposed to know if you can't get yourself sorted out. Sort out yourself at the back of your yard if you can't have something down there. And a lot of people now got addressed to. Some of the next thing is this. Enough of them were Jamaica fret too because them taking people their money and telling them to build this and build that for them. And enough of them now go find out say nothing there for them. Enough of them that take people their money say them are safe for them too. And that me I tell you nothing left for them down there. And them are going to find that out because when they reach there, that's another reason why they're not going to pick them up, because they know so they take them money and spend it. The money what them claims today is saving for them is gone. They never save anything because guess what? Enough of them know so them not straight out of the country, so them now come back for now. Well, everything force right, but that's the thing. Force right. Everything. Story come to bum. So who would that lie and tell people them say you that save them money so whenever they come, them are going to have a place to stay. Well, we're going to see now because enough things are going to happen where people not going to happy with, you know. But them not want to talk about that because enough of time when they say they will deport, they come back and deport this. Enough of them too that get the people the money and not telling people them, oh, we are help do this and we are help do that. And everybody careless and worthless when they want to help themselves. So there's a double-edged sword to everything and there's 2 sides to every story. But I fuck a 5 side to me sometimes. But what I say is that people feel to realize that people get up each day. I don't think everybody not have a plan. And everybody just sit down and think about the future. Some people do think about their future, even if them straight or not straight. Having a green card or not having a green card. I tell you that right now. Some people don't have a green card, but them know so them cannot get one. So them are going to prepare themselves for this scenario. More likely, them are probably hopes for the best. Say, hey, I know so it go, but if it goes, so I have something on my yard. You understand? I'm going to go back over the side here. I drive some past some bumpy road and then I have fishing gear in the back of me. Something back there. So sorry, you guys. So anyways, The story I come to bump, you know, because enough of the people are a fret a Jamaica too, you know, because them taking people their money, promise them, say, oh, whenever you come back, man, because they know some people them don't have a green card, them cannot get legal status in the country. I'm going to try to be clear and explain what I try to say. They cannot get legal status in the country, so them play upon the people their emotions and take their money, so we're going to help you build up something, so if you come back, you have something in your yard. And we know so enough of it happen too, because me see it and we know. And being on this earth almost 50 years, going on 50 years, me can tell you, say, me see a lot and me hear a lot. And me watch people, how them deal with people over the years. And how them lie to people, say them a build house and them a do this and them a do, and them know so them not do it. So now, enough of them are fret. Enough of them are really fret, you know. Enough of them are fret. So when the people them come back down there, them are going to see, say them not do nothing for them. Because enough of the people on the panel list are people who definitely cannot get legal status in this country. So enough of the things what going to happen is that when they reach back a yard and say, yo, the people them take my money, so them help me, them do this, them do that, and there's nothing there for me, them are going to find out. Them are going to find out. And I want to know where going to really happen down there. And you're going to hear a lot of people on a live down there, but that's how you go. Because that's how them work. And people going to say, oh, why this happen and why did that happen? And Jamaica have a bunch of different problems still other than just Deportee reaching there. I'll be honest with you. Jamaica have a lot of problem. A lot of problem. Me not tell nobody say Jamaica are the best place, but are the best place for me. But at the same time, them have a lot of problem. Just like America have a lot of problem, Canada have a lot of problem. Them have a lot of problem. But the sad part is, it's small, they have a lot of problem. Jamaica too small, they have so much problem, man. Between the people them analyze each other and I do foolishness and I take advantage of the old people them. You know, I cannot stomach it. And that's why enough time I don't really talk about it because they get me upset. I was once a little girl and I've been through so much. Me know say Jamaica can be a rough place to look pick me. Especially little girls. I think not little boys not have it bad too, because nowadays all kind of things are going on. But I want to know what really going to happen with the people that money want enough I want to take and say, who not help them build house at Jamaica, buy house at Jamaica, or the house where you buy for you and them. When you come now, you not going to ghost them and not show up to pick them up at the airport? Or ghost them and not pick them up? None at all. Or you going to disappear, because regardless of how people might forget certain things, you know, they're not going to forget where they come from too far, no matter what, when they're desperate. When you don't take for them money and promise them the big house, say, big house I got ready, and this I got ready, and that I got ready by time you come, everything will be alright. Not knowing say it was sooner than later. Because this will happen now when them I grab them and some people intentionally leave because I say enough people come on their own already. So when the people them show up, because them not to be deported for reach down there. All them have to do is figure out a way for reach back at their yard, which a lot of people have. And right now I know that somebody in a trouble down there already. Because them cannot produce the people and property where them claims that them supposed to buy, where them get the people them money to spend. If you get somebody money for over the years for help them build, buy or whatever, what did you do with them money? You don't name it for you and your woman and pick to them? So regardless of what, I understand, say, I know everybody worthless. I did say that in my first video, say, I know everybody worthless. People do prepare themselves for, you know, the unexpected. But some people didn't know, say, it was, you know, it was the inevitable, say, them are going to get themselves caught up one day, either by choice or force. So anyways, that's my little rant, you know, because I tell you no, sometimes we just don't know where to look out for with people. Family member are the worst, I'm not gonna lie. Friend just the same. Nowadays you cannot, because everybody depend hunting and everybody depend earning are more like a come up on other people things. Enough people are trying to just come up on other people things. They don't want to work feed. They will see how the things that them do nothing for, and them say, oh yeah, we are doing such a big house. We are doing this or we are doing that. Like say, I feed them money and spend. I don't feed them money and spend, but them have a problem with it. Oh man, you need for downside, you don't need this, you don't need that. Everybody start counting how much toilet you have, how much room you have. You only can sleep in a one room. So the hell what if you only can sleep in a one room? If the people then give money for buy 10 room, a 10 bedroom or a 5 bedroom, and them do have the money, them give it to you, by the people in place. Not only that, you get up and you feel like say you have the right to spend the money or suit you like say your money. Be fair, man. I'm not gonna tell you no joke. But one thing we know for sure, say people When them get angry, them liable of doing anything. But anyways, please do like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell.